Jai Hind everyone, this is Umesh Kunyal. Today is a very important day. Today India is celebrating the 50th anniversary of 1971 war as a Vijay Diwas. आज का दिन भारत के इतिहास के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। इस दिन भारत ने पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट विजय प्राप्त की और इसी दिन एक नए स्टेट का जन्म हुआ जिसे बांग्लादेश कहते हैं। इसमें कई हमारे सैनिकों ने अपनी जान की बाजी लगाई और इस विजय को प्राप्त किया। इस 71 वॉर में इंडिया ने करीब 3000 सैनिकों को खोया और पाकिस्तान ने 8000 सैनिकों को इसमें खोया। इस दिन जो 93,000 सैनिकों का ट्रुप्स है, जनरल काजी के नेतृत्व में इन्होंने अपने को सरेंडर किया भारत के सामने। ये एक हमारे सैनिकों की त्याग और बलिदान का एक नतीजा है कि इस दिन भारत ने 1971 वॉर को जीतकर एक इतिहास रचा। आज इसको 50 साल पूरे हो चुके हैं। पूरा देश इसको हर्ष और उल्लास के साथ मना रहा है। मैं पूरे दून डिफेंस एकेडमी के स्टाफ, फैकल्टीज और स्टूडेंट की तरफ से सभी को इस दिन की शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।
Jai Hind everyone. This is Gauri. I am CDSE students of Doon Defense Academy. We are celebrating 50th anniversary of Vijay Diwas on 16th December to recall the victory of India over Pakistan, and Bangladesh got independence also in this one only. Wishing you all everyone to happy Vijay Diwas. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Falguni Chauhan, preparing for CDS and AFCAT in Doon Defense Academy, Dehradun. I wish you all a very happy 50th anniversary of Vijay Diwas. Vijay Diwas is observed on 16 December every year, marked as the victory of Indian Armed Forces over Pakistan forces in 1971. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Myself Venkatesh Patel. I am from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh, and I am currently preparing for SSB in Doon Defense Academy. As we all celebrate Vijay Diwas on today, that's 16th of December, I wish you all very happy Diwas on this great occasion. It's the victory of India over the Pakistan in the war of 1971 and the liberation of Bangladesh. Again, I wish you a very happy Vijay Diwas. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Akanksha and I am the student of CDS in Doon Defense Academy. Wish you all a very happy 50th Vijay Diwas. Thank you, Jai.
Jai Hind everyone, myself Parveen Yadav from Haryana and I am preparing in Doon Defense Academy for my SSB interview. Because I salute all the soldiers that we lost in 1971 war. As we are citizen of India, we know that soldier is not just a person. He is our God, he is the glory and the honor we earned. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Premti Ranjan from Bihar and I am preparing for SSB and DDA. 16th December is celebrated as the Vijay Diwas and it is celebrated as victory over Pakistan in 1971 and also liberation of Bangladesh. And I hereby pay homage to all those who sacrificed their life for the nation.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Abhishek Tomar and I am here in DDA preparing for SSB. On this day, our India won a great victory against Pakistan. हमने बहुत सारे सिपाही अपने उस जंग में खो दिए, उनको सभी को मेरी ओर से श्रद्धांजलि।
Jai Hind everyone, this is Sandeep Kashyap. I belong from Mahaba, UP, and as today on 16th of December we are celebrating this occasion. We would like to commemorate our brave soldiers who sacrificed their lives for their victory over Pakistan and separated Bangladesh.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Abhishek, I am from Haryana, I prepare for SSB interview in DDA. सभी देशवासियों को मेरी तरफ से 50वें विजय दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Jai Hind everyone, I am Sangram Singh from Jaipur, Rajasthan and I am preparing for SSB in DDA. Wish you all a happy 50th Vijay Diwas and tribute all the soldiers who sacrificed their life in the 1971 war. Jai.
My name is Sanjay Yadav. I am from Uttar Pradesh. I do preparation for my SSB in the Doon Defense Academy. Friends, we all know on 16th December we celebrate as a Vijay Diwas. On this day, India won against Pakistan after fighting 13 days. The chief of Pakistan military, Abdullah Khan, surrendered himself against Indian force and Bangladesh Bahini with his 93 troops. First of all, I salute all the soldiers who give their sacrifice towards the country.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Govind Yadav and I am preparing for SSB in DDA, and today we celebrated our 50th Vijay Divas of 1971 war, and I will give tribute to all the soldiers who fought bravely in 1971 war.
My name is Mahesh Kumar. I am from Mount Abu, Rajasthan. As we know, today is Vijay Divas, and I tribute to all the soldiers who have fought in the war of 1971. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind, I am Ayush Kumar. I am a student at Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun. I am currently preparing for the CDS examination, and on the behalf of all the students from Doon Defence Academy, I wish you all a very happy Vijay Divas. On 16th of December every year, we celebrate Vijay Divas to mark our victory over Pakistan, and on this day we liberated East Pakistan, which later came to be known as Bangladesh. And very happy Vijay Divas.
जय हिंद एवरीवन, मैं विशाल कुमार नजीबाबाद यूपी से। मैं अपनी एसएसबी इंटरव्यू की तैयारी डीडीए से कर रहा हूं, और मैं सभी देशवासियों को विजय दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं।
Jai Hind, I am Prince, I am from Rajasthan. I am here to prepare for SSB in DDA. Vijay Divas is the symbol of proud, honor and victory to all the Indians. I am here to pay tribute to all the martyrs of the war. Wish you a happy Vijay Divas.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.